Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll be talking about several deals that I've seen and searched online, and that I think that you guys be interested. So the first one that we have is this DeWalt 20 volt max. Model number is DCKO 215M1. It's a 13-inch uh, battery blower slash trimmer kit. So this one does come with a charger as well, and 4 amp battery. So I bought the leaf blower. I think it's the older generations, and it works really good. You can see the reviews that a little bit more than 4 reviews, 4 stars out of 5. Okay, so regular price is $289, saving about 31%. Next one is we have this Ecoflow Delta Pro. This one regular price is like 32 to 3,500. And however, this one is a refurbished, but it does come with the 2 years warranty to all states. So you might be wondering, what can we do with this EcoFlow, right? This thing is a beast. You can pretty much do anything with this. You can run, you name it, other than the central AC units. And this one you can expand it like to up to 25 kilowatt hours. That's crazily a lot. Um, yeah, one is like 3.6, and you can add in more power on the way, but I don't know if you're gonna need that many. It shows here, this is what you can power: laptop, coffee maker, TVs, washing machines, and the AC, window AC, to be specific, not the central AC. So, and it says here, fully charging 1.8 hours, so that's good, because EcoFlow has the extreme charging technology. And it says here, EV charging, but this thing is heavy, so super heavy. Not like a tiny one, that way you can just carry it with you easily. Okay. Next up is we have these Klipsch speakers. I actually do a similar, I think, a older generation model where it has a bunch of wires and stuff like that, and it's not Bluetooth. And I believe the one that I have says THX. This one doesn't say THX, but for $59, that's an awesome deal. It's way better than the little tiny speakers that that comes with the computer. Okay, I'll list everything in the description section, so it'll be easy for you guys to check it out. Next up is what we have here is the SanDisk. This one for 1 terabyte, and it's only $50.99. Regular price $34.99. The price for this has come up tremendously. Um, it used to be really expensive, I think, for 1 terabyte, like, over 100, 130 or something. But the hard drives now is going down tremendously, even for the NVMe as well too. But for this one, if you want like a faster boot up, and because most of the computers come with like 256, this one comes with 1 terabyte. Okay. Next up is these EcoFlow 100 watt each panel. This one, the regular price is regular price is 249, but right now the sale price is 169. It's for Cyber Monday. And they also have a $40 coupon that you click and apply, bringing that down to $129 for 2 panels. I think by far this is really cheap. I've seen on Craigslist offer ups, they offer you like just the 1 panel sell at about $100, and you're buying this one and it gets shipped to your house for two for 129. That's just an awesome deal. For those of you who watched my recent videos about the EcoFlow power station, the Delta 2. Um, that one, it came with the 2 solar panels, I think for $8.99 or something, or $9.99. I forgot the exact price. and you add to these two, or you can buy two more or four more of these because that Ecoflow Delta 2 it can take up to 500 watts. So that gives you the maximum input of charging. So which is awesome. Next up, we have this gear wrench, 77 piece ratchet and tap and die set. I usually don't use this a lot, but I see that it's on sale, and for some of you out there might be interested. Gear wrench, I do have their tools. They're really high end quality. They're not like cheaply made. And regular price for this is $362. And again, this is a cyber deal, so minus 70% off, bringing down the total to only $110. And as you can see here, the ratings back it up by itself, 4.5 out of 5, and it has 3,600 reviews. Next up, if you're looking for a TV of 4K at an affordable price, Best Buy has it for you. This one is a sharp 65-inch LED 4K, and it does come with a smart Roku TV as well, so you can easily watch YouTube on this one. Regular price is $599, and it says here that there's a timer here that it's going to end in 12 hours and 53 minutes as of this recording. So you're saving $300 off. And the review for this is 4.5 out of 5. For some reason, it only has 7 reviews. Not a lot, but the reviews, they're great. And then we have this monitor. I have an LG monitor, but mine is flat screen. And I think I bought it at a B&H for about maybe 2 years ago for $250. And it's a 2K monitor. This one, the model number is 34WQ73A-B, and it is a Quad HD. It has HDR compatibility, built-in KVM, and has all kinds of stuff here. Wider screen and a curve, so it'll be very easy for you guys to do your work on. Just split the screens, multitask with this. Regular price, as you can see, $469, and currently they have it for a 28% discount, bringing down the price to $339. Awesome deal. Um, This one, it's a heater. So right now in California, it's getting cold. So, but this deal is only specifically for Prime members, and it is also for the Cyber Monday deal as well. If you're not the if you haven't joined Prime yet, then you have to pay the $169. But if you are a Prime member, you only pay $113.89. So I think if you have kids, or if or if you live somewhere where it's really cold, you can use this to heat up the family here. That's pretty much it for today's deal. I'll list everything in the description part, so making everything easy for you guys to search and look up. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask. Other than that, take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video.